Hi guys, do you remember my last video that I had made in one GG battery connector to fit two kind of atomizers? It was 801 and 901. I finally made a GG battery connector that it can fit three kind of atomizers. Four with cartomizer, but cartomizer is like 901, so let's say 3. I'm really happy about this, so no more adapters and more length to the GG, no more caps, no more lost adapters or caps or anything else. I will show you the GG battery connector, okay, and I will start with the first atomizer, which is 801, no modification on it at all. We screw it, put some liquid. I hope it works. No, it doesn't work. I will put another one. If you see small smoke, it's because it's my new atomizers that can handle 5.2 volts. But now I have put inside 6 volts only. Okay, let's take the second atomizer, which is the 510. No modification on it. I can't smoke, of course. It fits very well, but I can't smoke because it doesn't work. It is burnt, and unfortunately I don't have atomizer 510, but it's okay. And now I will put excuse me, I will put a modified 901 atomizer, modified by me. This is it. His length is extended by 4 millimeters. But I think this doesn't work. Wait a minute to put another one. Yes, it's okay. And of course we can put cartomizers. I will take off for now the extension, but it will be permanent on my ATI, so you have nothing to do about it. I will put it here, extension, it's gold as you see, and we can smoke with cartomizers. Maybe my cartomizer needs liquid. Okay, I'm really happy because this is an invention that I was thinking about it many months ago, but I hadn't think of it seriously. But the last 3 days I decided to make it reality. So, 1 GG, no adapters, no backups, one connector. Thanks a lot, guys.